Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to integrate Square with QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your credentials. All you're gonna do is click on the sign button. And once you've done that, you might want to go here to check the best plans that's right for you. You can start with the simple, which is $15 per month, and you get to have all these keys and benefits that you can take advantage. But if you're planning to scale up, you might want to go for the plus plan, which is $45 a month, and you get to have all these benefits right here, plus unassisted bookkeeping. All you're gonna do is buy now and save. You can simply call the sales professional via the phone, or you can talk to one of their customers in their live chat. And once you've done that, the next step we need to do is go here at Square. If this is your first time here, you might want to go and contact the sales representative for them to give you a demo of what it looks like and how it feels like to use Square as a new platform for you. Now, when you click on contact the sales, all you're gonna do is again provide your full legal name, zip code, and the phone number if you are located here in the US, your business name, industry, and if you do have a Square account. And by clicking on the checking in the terms and agreements right here and submit button, you're all set. Now we will share the best way to connect QuickBooks Online to Square by using a platform called Zapier. Now, if you have an account here, you are lucky because you can easily automate all these workflows by clicking on the Connect My Apps right here. Obviously, we can rename the Zap that we are going to create. And the trigger is an event that starts your Zap, and that's gonna be, of course, Square. Click on that, and from here you can choose an event that you wanted. Maybe let's create it triggers when a new appointment is created, maybe or a new order triggers when a new order is processed, right? Click on continue. And again, from here, all you're gonna do is click on sign in so that you can connect it to your Square account, right? And then for the action, obviously, that's gonna be QuickBooks. Click on that. And from here, you can choose an event wherein you can create custom actions, or you can create bill or create a new bill optionally tied to a customer. But for now, why not create a new customer? And all you're gonna do is from here, click on continue. And you need to sign in for both of these platforms, and you can just sit back and relax when you authenticate these apps because Zapier will do the work for you. But if you are more comfortable using your QuickBooks Online, all you're gonna do is these are the options. Just click on the Get App Now because it will automatically import your sales into QuickBooks using the Connect to Square app, right? And then, as you can see, it's very simple to connect to Square app. No more manual data entry, sales receipts created automatically, and you can choose sales details that's right for you. And of course, you can import multiple locations. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.